Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, back for my post-market wrap-up on this lovely day. Seriously, Thursday, April 19, 2018. So, okay, I guess let's start off with this. So stocks finished lower today, nothing dramatic. Bonds sold off big time. The U.S. 10-year yield just crossed 2.91, and if you were to go look at that chart on my website, it appears that bonds have maybe, okay, bottomed out for now. I mean, it looks like a lot of effort went in to keeping those bonds from selling off even worse. So we need to keep our eye on that. Go look at the chart when you get a chance. If you're watching this on my website, again, which I really hope you are, just glance down and you'll see what I'm talking about. I mean, it went like zoom straight down. It's kind of bottoming out right here. It may resume selling off tomorrow. Who freaking knows? The market is too erratic. You want to talk about an erratic market? So I'm sitting here watching all this in real time, all freaking day long. And at 12:36 p.m. Pacific Standard Times, exactly 12:36 p.m., I'm sitting here and I'm watching the S&P 500. It was down almost a percentage point. And then, just like in the blink of an eye, it started going up, like a surge of buying came in. And, I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. I know I posted on my websites, social websites, what's going on with this. Then we found out about 15-20 minutes later that it was headline news. Apparently Rosenstein isn't under investigation. Oh, so let's go buy stocks right now. That's exactly what happened. If you ask me, it's kind of really suspicious, but that's okay. I think at this point, there's some pressure here on the market, no doubt. Will it play out through till tomorrow, the next day? I think it might. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. But just in case I am right, I took up this position and I posted it all over my social networks in real time. So, and again, this is an initial position. You should know how to be playing these things in case we get it wrong. And if you're not sure, go to my website, traderschoice.net, upper left-hand corner. Look for the picture of Gordon Gekko. Go to my publications page and download my free brief, The One Rule You Can Never Break While Trading Stocks. It's 100% freaking free. So if you don't have it, there is something wrong with you. You have to play these things correctly because there are going to be times where we get these wrong. Sometimes a whole bunch, but we want to get ourselves on the right side and then add to those positions when it's going in the direction that we believe it's going to go. This is how we minimize our losses, maximize our gains, and rip the face off of this freaking market. It's true. All right, so look, we'll see. We'll see what happens with this bond market. I think overnight we're going to watch the overseas markets, which I always do. And then tomorrow morning, I think, is going to be the real tell here to see if the sell-off in bonds continues. If they are not successful in propping up those bonds, stocks are going to suffer just like they did today, and it could be a lot worse. Who knows? We're going to see tomorrow. It's really kind of a guessing game, and that's what makes this kind of, I think, interesting and exciting at the same time. All right, so let's see how this plays out. And I can't wait for tomorrow morning. I'll see you then. Over and out.